Hi, my name is Jim Cho. Welcome to CES. And we're at the Visa booth at the DisplayPort alternate mode over USB Type-C demo table. So here we are demonstrating an exciting development in DisplayPort solutions over the Type-C connector, showing a variety of solutions, not just including PC systems and displays. Mobile phones are the next big part of the ecosystem that's being enabled. So here we have a Galaxy Samsung phone with a Type-C connector that includes support for DisplayPort alt mode. You plug it into their docking station and it gives you USB ports, video, charging, and data to a full-size HDMI or DisplayPort display. Also included in this new collection of products that includes DP alt mode over Type-C support is the Nintendo Switch, which includes a base station unit that has a Type-C port, includes DisplayPort alternate mode over Type-C. One of the key reasons why products like these, like Type-C and DisplayPort, is it includes capabilities for charging, display, and data over one small form factor connector. You plug it into this docking station, which is connected to this display, and then you get a large display for your gaming or your phone or accessing your email, not including, obviously for laptops, it's important to be able to connect to displays when you're in a working environment to have multiple displays. But for mobile products, it's critical to have a small connector that enables all these capabilities with one port, giving you charging, data, and display all in one.